Anthurium and actually the skinny air roots, we have seen many of them. Many of those roots are part of the Anthurium and Philodendron.
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
I get to do that joke one more time.
Ah. We are into the underbrush. And all these, for example, this bush on the left, actually it's not a bush. It's actually many of these medium size. They look like a bush, but they are saplings, like baby trees, like that one there.
How tall will they grow?
Well, depending on the species, some of them could be 120, 140 feet tall.
Good. Like
they are just
fishtail palms. They go tall.
I mean, no. The fishtail palm trees are that large. I mean, that's the maximum. Or leaves span, but I mean, like this one here. Or this on the left hand side. This actually, they are saplings. These are just saplings. Or what it happens is that they have a very long way to get all the way to the top, to the canopy. Or maybe 100, 150, 200. The longest they could live, about 300 years. That's the life expectancy for a tree that lives in the tropical rainforest.
Did you hear that too, Cindy?
I'm sorry?
Did you hear that buzz of the insects?
Yes, I did.
It sounds like someone kicked over a wasp nest.
John was like, ah.
Flies, yeah. I call this part the Mother Nature revenge.
Mother Nature's revenge. Especially on the left side of the cart. Okay, this one's for you, Adam.
They look like mermaids.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. I actually was in the bathroom when I was rocking and I went, are you kidding?
Oh, this is like a wild version of the roller coaster, isn't it?
Yes.
But gentle, not making us...
Yeah, gentle.
Jungle coaster.
Jungle coaster. Sounds good, huh?
That's a perfect name.
Yeah, good one, Adam.
Jungle coaster. Adam.
Yes.
Adam and the ants.
I guess that makes me the ant.
Yeah, there used to be a British band,
Yeah,
Adam and the Ants. Oh, look at the monkey ladder.